Hi, I'm Justin, one of the creators of Mean, which is a brand new card game similar to your Unos and others, where you're trying to get rid of your hand before everyone else, but with a lot more strategy involved, and most importantly, sabotage. There are no friends in Mean. You're really trying to screw everyone over as much as possible. It's a super fun game, really fast play times, comes in a fun little portable box, so you can take this anywhere with you. Great for families, great for adults as well. Everyone's going to get something different out of this game. We just launched last year, well, actually in 2024, and we won the PAX Indie Tabletop Showcase. We were one of the winners there, which is super exciting, and now I'm just traveling all over Australia. So yeah, if you missed us here, we'll be at other conventions as well, but you can find us in stores, Dimmicks, Good Games, Mind Games, all over the place. Just go into a store and you can find our game. And or you can buy it on our website at meanthegame.com. Yeah, thanks for joining.